Hello all, welcome back to my channel US Tax Concepts by Paul. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Section 1091 wash sale, which is a very important concept in US tax. Before going into the video, I would request each and every one of you to like the video and share it with your friends and colleagues, and also please do subscribe to the channel. With that being said, let's jump right into the topic. So the wash sale rule in the United States is a regulation imposed by the Internal Revenue Service (IRS) to prevent investors from claiming tax losses on certain security transactions. It applies to stock, bond, options and other securities. The rule aims to discourage investors from selling an investment at a loss for tax purposes only to repurchase the same or a substantially identical investment shortly afterward. So basically what Section 1091 wash sale states is IRS disallows any loss claimed from sale of a particular stock or security if substantially identical stock or security have been repurchased within 61-day period, 30 days before the date of sale, 30 days after the date of sale, including the date of sale. So here is how the wash sale rule works. So firstly, we have the definition of wash sale. A wash sale occurs when an investor sells a security at a loss within 30 days before or after the sale, buys a substantially identical security. This includes buying additional shares of the same stock or a security that has the same rights and privileges as the original one. The 30-day window applies both before and after the sale. So as I mentioned, it includes a 61-day period, 30 days before the sale, date of sale, 30 days after the date of sale, including the date of sale. So basically, IRS disallows this artificial loss or paper loss which an investor creates to evade tax. So moving on, the second point is disallowance of loss deduction. So if you have a wash sale, the IRS will disallow the tax deduction for the loss on that particular sale. This means you cannot use the loss to offset any gains you might have made on other investment for tax purposes. So basically this states IRS disallows the loss claimed from a wash sale. So you cannot use that loss to offset any gain you might have made on other investment. Point is basis adjustment for wash sale. Instead of losing the benefit of the loss permanently, the disallowed loss is added to the basis cost of the newly purchased substantially identical security. This means that when you eventually sell the repurchased security in the future, the disallowed loss will be factored into the gain or loss calculation for tax purposes. Let's try to understand this point with an example in next slide. So in this example, let's say you bought 100 shares of ABC stock for $1,000. The value of the stock drops and you sell those 100 shares for $800, incurring a $200 loss. If you then buy 100 shares of ABC stock again within the 30-day window at $850, the wash sale rule will apply. The wash sale rule is applying over here because that investor is repurchasing the ABC stock 100 shares back within the 30-day window. So IRS will consider it as a wash sales and will disallow that $200 loss which it has already incurred. The loss $200 loss will be disallowed for tax purposes and your basis for the new 100 shares will be adjusted to $1,050. $850, which was the purchase price of ABC stock when the investor purchased it again, and the $200 being the loss which he incurred on selling the stock in the first go. To comply with the wash sale rule and to avoid any complication, the investor should be more careful of the total 61-day period to repurchase the security they sold at a loss, or consider buying a different security that is not substantially identical to the one they sold. Always consult with a qualified tax professional for advice tailored to your specific situation and to ensure compliance with tax regulations. With this, we come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching it till the end. If you like my content, please do not forget to like the video and share it with your friends and colleagues, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for supporting my channel throughout. I hope to bring more such contents in near future on US tax concept. Till then, see you soon. Take care.